You may look at this photo and it may give you all kinds of dread and negative feelings, but the truth is that isn't what it is. This is a badge of honor. You were brave enough to send your precious work out into the world. Ray Bradbury said, if you collect rejections and wallpaper the smallest room in your house with them, before you are finished, you will be accepted. And ever since I heard that, many, many moons ago, I have been collecting digital rejections. I take pictures of ones I get in paper, but most of them come via email. So I have a file that I save them. And I have never had a room to wallpaper, but I have had a room to write. And someday maybe I'll get to do that. But in the meantime, I have been accepted, and you will be too, multiple times. I changed the way I thought about these things back then, and I stopped saying I was sending things out to be published or to be considered, and started saying I'm sending them out for rejection. And it changed the way I feel about it when I send them. I send them off and off they go. A publisher, editor that I no longer remember who, said that do not dare to tell me what I can publish in my magazine. And what he meant by that is that at the end of the day, you don't know what'll be accepted. And a teacher of mine told me that sometimes it just comes down to whether or not they like your face. And obviously it's not your face because it's your writing. But if you write the most beautiful story about a dog and it lands on a publisher's desk the day their dog died, that could mean that they reject you because they're not in a place to read that story. Or it could mean they accept it over something else that was even maybe arguably better or equally as good because it reminded them of their dog and give them all the feels. So that's what it's about. It's just about not luck. It's not luck, because you are working hard and you are writing some amazing stuff and you are writing beautiful, beautiful things. It is about an opportunity knocks. You'll be ready. As Marilyn Monroe said, when all the other starlets were sleeping till noon, she was working so hard. And now she's a legend.